Today we're doing a kitchen remodel. We have an old countertop and cabinet that was rotted out by a wall leak, and we're putting a vintage sink in it, which probably weighs about 75 pounds. So we want to reinforce the counter itself. Now you can't see, but inside this cabinet there's a 2x4 in the corner. You run one all the way across to a 2x4 that's on the back side. And then you screw a 2x4 to the top of the counter, through the countertop, and through the side of the cabinet to the right. And then you repeat that on the left side. Now this will give it more support, seeing as how the sink only sits on a 3/8 of an inch spot all the way around this hole. And you also want to make sure that your hole is large enough you can tack on strips just to fill in the space, as long as the sink itself does not rest on those strips. And that is how you would reinforce a counter to install a heavy sink.